ChatGPT, write me an email responding to a client who is upset with me because they wanted a 10 by 10 concrete slab, but they didn't know how big 10 by 10 was, and it takes up too much room on their lawn, and they said, quote, the bees need grass, and that I should have talked them out of it.
Dear customer's name, thank you for reaching out and sharing your concerns regarding the size of the concrete slab. I apologize for any inconvenience this has caused. When you requested a 10 by 10 slab, we assumed that the dimensions were as per your requirement. However, I understand now that there was a misunderstanding about the actual size. I genuinely regret not clarifying the measurements with you in more detail. Your concern about the impact on your lawn and the bees is important, and I want to make this right. Please let me know how you would like to proceed. We can discuss options for resizing or relocating the slab to better suit your needs. Again, I apologize for any distress this has caused, and am committed to finding a satisfactory solution.
Okay, again, but adamant that there will not be compromises made. We walked the site together. It was confirmed repeatedly and in writing that this is what they wanted.
Dear Hugh Janice, Dear Connie Lingus, thank you for reaching out regarding the concerns about the 10 by 10 concrete slab installed at your property. I want to reiterate that we thoroughly discussed and confirmed the dimensions of the slab during our site walkthrough with Hugh Janice. The 10 by 10 size was confirmed both verbally and in writing. Given this, the slab was installed as per the explicit instructions provided. While I understand your current concerns about the size and its impact on your lawn, I must emphasize that the slab was constructed precisely according to our agreement. Unfortunately, at this stage, we will not be able to make any modifications or compromises regarding its size. I appreciate your understanding and am available to discuss any further concerns you might have.
In anticipation of an angry response, can you write up a draft of a letter informing them of legal action if they insist on being unreasonable?
Dear Connie Lingus and Hugh Janice, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing in response to any further dissatisfaction regarding the 10 by 10 concrete slab installed at your property. As previously stated, the dimensions of the slab were confirmed during our site walkthrough and agreed upon in writing. The installation was completed according to these explicit instructions. We have made every effort to address your concerns and have explained that modifications or compromises regarding the size of the slab are not feasible at this stage. Please be advised that continued unreasonable demands or actions may leave us with no choice but to pursue legal action to protect our business interests. We sincerely hope it does not come to this and that we can resolve this matter amicably. If you have any further concerns or wish to discuss this issue, please do not hesitate to contact us.
Can we combine these two letters?
Dear Connie Lingus and Hugh Janice, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to follow up on our previous communications regarding the 10 by 10 concrete slab installed at your property. As stated, the slab dimensions were confirmed during our site walkthrough and agreed upon in writing. The installation was completed according to these explicit instructions. We regret any inconvenience caused, but must emphasize that modifications or compromises regarding the size of the slab are not feasible at this stage. Please be advised that continued unreasonable demands or actions may leave us with no choice but to pursue legal action to protect our business interests. We sincerely hope it does not come to this. I genuinely value our business relationship and hope we can continue working together in the future. Clearer communication from both sides could have prevented this situation, and we are committed to improving our processes moving forward. Thank you for your understanding. If you have any further concerns or wish to discuss this issue, please do not hesitate to contact us.
This needs to rhyme as much as possible.
Dear Hugh and Connie, I hope this finds you both well. It's time to address this concrete spell. You asked for a slab 10 by 10, confirmed and agreed, not if but when. We walked the site, you signed with glee, now it's too big and that's on me. Regret we feel, but changes can't be. We built it right, as you did decree. Unreasonable demands we simply can't meet, legal action next, which we'd rather not greet. We value our bond as neighbors should do. Let's move past this hiccup, start anew. Clearer talk might have saved the day. We'll do better next time, come what may. Thank you for your time and understanding too. Reach out if you wish, we're here for you.
Yeah, that'll do it.